Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add follow button to your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first, and after login to your page, not to your Facebook profile, you have to log into your Facebook page. You have to click on this and toggle this button to your Facebook, switch to your Facebook page. Okay, then you have to click on profile icon or the profile name. Then you'll find here three dot. This one, click on three dot and choose edit action button. Click on edit action button. Now click on change button. Now you have to find the follow option here. If you can't find the follow option, all you have to just open your snipping tool, and then you have to screen capture this one or take screenshot this one. Click on copy or save. Then you have to go to your Facebook help and support, this one. Choose help center, or sorry, not report a problem. Click on report a problem. Now choose help us improve Facebook. Include in report. Now you have to choose the area. You have to choose the area and it should be the page. Okay, so pages, this one, and you have to write here the details like please add the follow button for my page in action button section. Now you have to add your screenshot what you have taken just now. Then you have to just attach your screenshot, then click on submit. Okay, and the Facebook will review it, and as soon as possible they will add the follow button. Then you can add your follow button from there. Okay guys, then you'll find here this follow button. You'll find here the follow button from here, and then you can choose from here. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.